We wanted to see how competitive products compared to our catch-all toy organizer, so we ordered this one. The first thing we noticed was the dingy color and texture of the boards, compared to ours, which is a smooth, bright white painted finish. Next, we looked at the assembly instructions, which had no written descriptions. Our assembly instructions are super clear, making assembly quick and easy. When we started to assemble the unit, some of the cam locks were difficult to get in place, and we noticed these large gaps between the boards. In our version, everything is sealed up nice and tight. The backboards of the organizer were basically two thin boards taped together with what looked like white duct tape that was actually starting to peel off in some places. We also had to hand screw in 16 screws into the back of the cabinet. Our backboards are built in and only require 6 screws. Next up are these sticky little pads they provided for the bottom. The minute we stood the cabinet up, the pads fell off, leaving this sticky residue on the bottom of the unit. The RiverRidge cabinet comes with these beautiful real pine wood feet. For safety, this brand provided a single wall anchoring bracket that you're supposed to screw into the top of the unit, which was somewhat difficult since there's no pre-drilled hole here, and the little white cap they provided is kind of an eyesore. Our cabinet comes with 2 adjustable wall anchoring brackets below the top board, so you can safely secure to the wall without sacrificing the clean look. The competitor's unit also doesn't include important warning labels. Rest assured knowing that ours has been tested and approved. And ours comes with bins. Which will you choose?